Stumbled upon an NWG file with no clear application association? This unusual extension can come from several different sources. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate and open these unfamiliar NWG files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep NWG file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. NWG files are an uncommon file extension that may be associated with various niche applications, including network configuration tools, specialized data formats, or legacy software. The exact application depends on the source-making investigation of the file origin, essential for proper identification and successful opening. NWG files use formats that vary widely depending on the originating application, potentially including proprietary binary structures, text-based configuration data, or application-specific data containers. Without knowing the source application, the internal structure cannot be reliably determined for proper parsing and use. The reference software for validating NWG integrity is unknown software from unknown developer. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows provides insufficient detail, so viewing must happen in dedicated legacy file readers. We are performing a full check of installed file handlers. Right-click your NWG file and choose Open With. Test with unknown software first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is usually a simple software swap. If you cannot access the NWG file, no problem. This NWG format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, investigating file origin. Examine the NWG file in a hex editor like HXD or a text editor like Notepad++ to check for application signatures or readable text headers. Search the recognizable strings online to identify the source application. Contact the file's sender for clarification on the originating software. Next, trying common applications. Test the NWG file with applications likely to use the extension based on context. If from a network tool, try networking software. If from a legacy application, search for matching software in archives. The Wikipedia file format article and FileXT directory often help identify obscure extensions. Finally, requesting standard format. If the source application remains unidentifiable, contact the file's creator and request the data in a standard format such as TXT, CSV, XML, or PDF depending on the content type. Standard formats ensure compatibility with widely available applications, eliminating dependence on the unknown NWG format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.